To connect your Binance account to Telegram. Hello guys, it's Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'll be telling you how can you connect your Binance account to Telegram. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Binance application, and after opening the Binance application you will get to see a bunch of options into this homepage. Now you just simply have to go over this mini Binance icon into the top left corner, and from there you will get to see a bunch of options again. First of all, you have to select your profile, and after selecting your profile you will get to see this security option. Tap to security, and after tapping into security you will get to see a bunch of options again. Just simply scroll down to bottom and you will get to see account connections. Tap to account connections, and after going into this section you will get to see connect with Telegram at very last. Now you just simply have to tap into this connect button if it is enabled. In my account it is not currently enabled, but if you have this enabled, just simply tap to connect and enter your Telegram credentials. Then after that you can easily connect your Binance account to Telegram. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.